What is a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS? Picture it as the backbone of your operations that ensures everything runs smoothly and efficiently. CMMS is a comprehensive system that combines service, systems, and software to effectively manage work orders and assets. It's responsible for a wide range of tasks, such as managing your workforce, maintaining the upkeep of your assets, and ensuring safety standards are met. It centralizes the management of asset allocation, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. But the capabilities of CMMS don't stop there. It also opens up opportunities for automation, which can significantly increase your production rates. Regular maintenance facilitated by CMMS helps extend the lifespan of your assets, making your investment go much further. One of the key features of CMMS is its ability to streamline decision-making. It provides just the right amount of information you need without overwhelming you with excess data. Facility management is another crucial aspect of CMMS. It covers everything from maintenance to energy management and so much more. Micromain, an industry-leading CMMS and EAM software, includes work order management, preventive maintenance, multi-location management, and asset lifecycle management. The software also handles inventory, labor tracking, and barcode efficiency, all under one platform. Micromain's cloud-based CMMS software is flexible and adapts to your needs, offering a highly efficient way to manage your operations. The outcomes of implementing Micromain's CMMS software are numerous. It aids in effective space management, improves energy efficiency, and strengthens relationships between departments. Experience maintenance management excellence with Micromain's CMMS system. Contact us today and step into a world where efficiency meets excellence. Visit our website at www.micromain.com or call us at 888-888-1600. Micromain, the key to unlocking your operation's full potential.